In this video, let me show you the way that you fix YouTube Shorts camera not working. So if you're trying to upload a video directly from your YouTube Shorts and it is currently not uploading, what you can firstly try to make sure that if the camera has the permission on the YouTube platform. So to make sure that, you can just tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to app info. From this settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the camera is set to allow. If this is not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you are facing. Now apart from this, you can do other couple of steps that will help to fix the bug, which is try to update the YouTube app. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for YouTube. If you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. Other than this, what you can also do is head back to this screen and then tap on the clear data option and tap on clear all data. So by doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts camera not working issue. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.